I'm gonna show you how to build a voice AI agent in 5 minutes. First thing you wanna do is just make sure that you have a Vappy account. So if you don't have a Vappy account, just make sure you automatically sign one up. You can sign in through Google, and then you also have free credits. On the left side, you wanna go over to Assistants. Go ahead and press Create Assistant. So there's a bunch of templates that they already have here. Customer support, lead qualification, appointment setter. We're gonna start from scratch. AI agent for car dealership. So up top, you're gonna have the name of the agent. You're gonna be able to test it. That's what we're gonna do. And then you're gonna have a bunch of things up here at the top. You're gonna be able to pick your model. I usually just stick with OpenAI. You can use Google Gemini and a bunch of other pretty much AI providers. You can use the default model that they have. It's pretty okay, but you go up to the latest model depending on what you want it to do. So if it's gonna be booking appointments and things of that nature, it's really important that you pick a specific model and then you pay attention to how much the model is. For this, let's just go with the latest model. We're gonna do GPT 5.2. So what is the first message? The first message is what you want your agent to say as soon as someone calls it or picks up the phone. We're gonna put the assistant to speak first for this tutorial. First message is gonna say, hello, I'm Sarah. Thanks for calling ABC Motors. So in assistant prompt, you want to be very specific. What I like to do, and I'm gonna just show you a little bit of a kind of a cheat code. I love to use ChatGPT for my prompts. Create me an AI receptionist that answers and books call for a car dealership, make it detailed and in markdown format. But markdown format is pretty much the easiest way that you can prompt. So boom, as you can see, markdown format. You are AI receptionist for a car dealership. Let's just go ahead and copy this. We're gonna go ahead and copy this and go right back into Vappy. And we're just gonna go through, some of the stuff that it says, right? Your job is to answer incoming calls professionally, greet the caller, sound friendly. Files. Now, this is important if the company, if your dealership, whatever, has specific FAQs, specific documents that you want the AI to actually follow. I will say, however, when you do upload files, it limits the flexibility of the voice AI agents. Here, you're gonna be able to pick your voice here. So transcriber, you can use a different provider as well. How you're gonna get the information after the call. You can add specific tools. So if you're using like nanmake.com messaging, this is where you'll be able to either create a server URL, a webhook to then go into make.com, extract this data. Very, very technical stuff here, but you don't necessarily need to know all of that. But this is just the rundown. So let's just go ahead and we're gonna save this and then we're gonna test our agent. We're gonna go to publish this. Okay, so let's go ahead and test the agent. We're gonna give it a call.
Hello, I'm Sarah. Thanks for calling ABC Motors.
Hey Sarah, how's it going today? I want to test drive the new BMW that you guys have on the lot. I saw it online, so I want to come in and test drive it later on today.
Absolutely, I can help with that. The best way to help you is to schedule a quick visit with our sales team for the test drive. What's your first name?
My first name is Anthony.
Thanks, Anthony. What's your last name?
Virgo, like the zodiac, so VIRGO.
VIRGO. Thanks, Anthony. What's the best phone number to reach you?
123-456-789.
Just to confirm, is that 123456789? Also, what's the best email for you, if you have one available?
My email is anthony@gmail.com, and yes, that's correct. That was my phone number.
Perfect. Thank you. I have your phone as 123-456-789 and your email as anthony@gmail.com.
So we're just gonna go ahead and end the call here. We don't gotta go super in detail, but that's how you create a voice AI agent. If you're interested in building your own voice AI agent for your business, go ahead and send me an email. It's gonna be linked in the description. My name is Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this.